So in this video, you'll learn how to change the language of the notification and voice guide of your Sony WH-CH720N headphones. Now, if you want to change the language your headphones normally speak in when you're checking the battery or even just turning noise cancellation on or off, then this is what you're going to do. You're going to just navigate to the Sony Sound Connect app on your phone. And then from here, once the headphones and app are connected together, you want to scroll and select Device Settings. Under Device Settings, switch to the System menu, and then look for Notification and Voice Guide. So you need to ensure that this feature is enabled, and then you should see the option for language. So go ahead and tap on this drop-down arrow, and then select the current language that you're using, which by default will be the language you used to set up the app. So you can go ahead and tap on it like that, and then you'll see a list of all supported languages that are available. So go ahead and select one. And once you've selected it, remember to tap on OK to save the changes. So then simply confirm that you wish to transfer the voice pack to your headphones. So just tap on OK and wait for the process to complete itself. Remember to keep the headphones and the phone close together so that there's no issue with the transfer process, and ensure that your headphones do have enough charge, as this can take a while. Once the process is complete, your headphones will go through a restart process automatically, so you don't have to do anything as the language pack finishes installing. So just wait for it to complete the process again. And once it's done, just tap on OK. Now, the notification and voice guide will be set to that specific language that you've chosen. You can also choose to switch back to the previous language that you're using, just by going through the process of changing the language all over again. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this process, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.